Hello and welcome to One Lap. Today, as we do with every car, we are putting this 2018 Tesla Model 3 dual motor around our track for one lap. This should be interesting as it's the same car as a Performance underneath, just detuned to be the standard long-range all-wheel drive. This is my friend Joe's 2018 Model 3, and we're doing something pretty interesting with it. We are doing this one lap, standard one lap. It's a Model 3 dual motor on 19-inch wheels, factory tires, stock Model 3. However, next week you'll come back to our one lap channel. We hope you subscribe because we will have this car with an aftermarket tune, the first of its kind for a Tesla. We're going to be increasing the horsepower, increasing the torque, and seeing how much faster it goes around our track with the modifications. That sounds pretty exciting to me. I have no idea what to expect, so make sure you subscribe. Come back for next week. But for now, let's put around a stock dual motor Model 3 and see how it compares as we've tested all the other ones. And now you join me at the start line with the Model 3 dual motor. Let's get this thing set up. We're going to go acceleration in standard, steering in standard, regen in standard. If you've seen any of our Tesla videos before, you know how I set them up. Slip start will be the best we can do. It'll be super interesting when we get this module on the car because we'll be able to turn traction control completely off. So let's see how it goes now. And in 3, 2, 1, wide open throttle. Launches nicely, builds up the power, and at 42, 43 miles an hour, it unlocks the whole thing. Big speed coming into the first corner. Oh, autopilot's freaking out. I don't know why. We put little lines there on the road so we can do autopilot tests, and it didn't like it. Full ABS brakes coming into this corner. Let's push it around. Oh, a little lift off oversteer. That was nice. Tires are certainly squealing. Great transition. Model 3s always handle so well, and this car is about 30,000 miles on it. Wow, ESP really didn't like that little hump that we have there. It grabbed brakes hard. And that's what we're going to see, hopefully, with this tuning module, is just the car is going to be so much more playful and not do those weird ESP interventions that heat up brakes and slow it down. Little dab of brakes for the transition here. Coming into this corner, front tires are working, little oversteer and ESP intervention again. Wide open throttle, bird! We did not hit the bird. And wide open for the back section of the track. I'm not gonna lift, but wow, it's fast. Okay, I did lift just a hair. Big brakes, full ABS, chuck it in, lift off oversteer, and the ESP cutting in again. But I gotta tell you, it's fast. Model 3s are so capable. Are they fun? Not really. ESP again, but they are capable. Wide open throttle, here we go. Miles an hour, 89, 100. Wow, the dual motor's still ripped pretty good. And boom, there we go. 120 miles an hour is past the start line. Well, that was great. Is it as fast as the Performance car? Probably not. Is it much slower? Probably not. This is not really a power track. Once you get up to speed with that initial acceleration, you're really using the momentum of the car and you're doing corner, corner, corner. So I don't expect the time to be that much slower than the Model 3 Performance, as it's really the same exact car, just little tire differences here or there. But wow, I love it. I mean, for most people, you don't need a performance. You just get the dual motor, and then we'll see what this little boost module thing does. If you could turn off traction control all the way, there might be no need for a performance at all. The brakes are still a weak point. I can already feel the pedal getting squishy after that one lap. Oh well, let's go put the module on it. You'll have to wait till next week. I'm gonna go drive it now. And that lap, by the way, for anyone wondering, was about 72-74% state of charge when we started. We're down to 68. Pretty nice. And now let's take a look back and reveal the lap time. You can see the Model 3 dual motor launches hard, just like every Tesla out there. Really nice acceleration off the line. Turn in on the first corner, feels great. Model 3s have a great balanced chassis. This car's on the 19-inch wheels with the factory sport tires. I forget exactly what they are, but pretty sticky rubber, handles totally fine. We do keep running into ESP intervention throughout the entire drive, and this is why it'll be exciting to watch our next episode where we reveal what this car is like when we up the power and turn traction control all the way off. And of course, you're interested to see what the lap time is. And before we go there, in the description below this video, we have a link to a Google document that goes through every single vehicle we've run so far in our one lap series. Without further ado, the Model 3 dual motor non-performance performed the lap around our track in 1 minute 48 seconds. A great showing, smacks it right in the middle of all the Teslas, and very much as expected. We'll see you on the next episode with another Model 3. Same car, just boosted up. And then, of course, we have a new episode every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern.